So I'm doing a little bit of stirring on the sauce, which has now been simmering for close to a half hour. Seems to be thickening up a bit. And the fun part is I'm going to take the meatball mixture that you just saw me put together, and I'm going to make a few of the meatballs. They say 2.5 to 3 inch diameter meatballs. I really have no idea what that means. And I heard they were supposed to be big like a baseball. So we're going to try that. Now it does mean they're going to be a little more challenging to cook in a frying pan. So I'm going to probably do them in stages. As they say, whoops, when you are done doing these, which they call large, you heat the oil in a saute pan, and when it's hot but not smoking, fry the meatballs in batches. Fry the bottom, shift them around, and then remove and drain on paper towels. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. There's 4 to get us started. As you see, I got lots more to go. Luckily, my son's coming over, he's going to help out.